right, lift it up. Watch your footing.
Heads up on the supports overhead.
Is the laser level calibrated for the slope?
Yeah, we're good to mark the next section.
Watch that beam coming up.
Clear below, hold it steady.
Securing the bolts now.
Watch the edge on that slab.
All right, push it straight ahead.
We need more tiles over here.
The flow rate on this irrigation outlet seems correct.
All right, gently now, set the bench right here.
We still need to check the alignment by the fountain.
All right, initiating the water test now.
We have flow at the fountainhead. Looks good from here. All right, guys, push it to the left.
Careful, careful.
Hold it steady while I get the soil.
All right, turn on the water flow now.
Activating the fountain.
Careful with that table over there.